Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's El Jefe Sobe here. That's ELJEFE Sobe at Instagram, and that is also my YouTube as well. Want to do a very quick video. Does anybody know what the second most tender part of a cow is? Anybody? It is the flat iron steak. It's part of the shoulder muscle. It's pretty inexpensive. You can get it in your supermarkets for probably around $7.99 to $9.99 per pound, instead of paying like tenderloin prices, which are up in the $19 to $25 range, depending on what kind of grade you're gonna get. But I'm just gonna be super simple. I got a cast iron pan over here that's pretty much heated up and ready to go. Put some oil in the pan, and then just some quick salt and pepper. If you wanted to, you could also put some fajita seasoning or some steak seasoning if you wanted to. And at the end, I'll just kind of show you. There's a little, or actually I'll show you right now. The grain runs this way. So after you're done cooking your steak, you're going to want to slice it this way. And I prefer for the flat iron steaks that you cook anywhere from medium rare to medium. You can get away with mid-well, but it might be a little bit tougher. So with that being said, all I'm going to do, season it up with salt and pepper. That'll put in the pan, and next we'll see when I'm cooking it. A little S&P. I usually just take these out probably like a half an hour before I'm going to cook them, so they come to room temperature. A little bit of pepper. Flip it over, get the other side. See, this side has a little bit more of the cartilage on it, but it shouldn't be too bad. Tried to take off as much as I could. We'll just season up this side. And we'll go right over to the pan and put them in. A little bit more oil in the pan. Pan's nice and hot, you'll get a nice sear on it. I'll put that nice facing side down so we get a nice crust on there. So you put a little bit more oil. We'll just let that cook. Alright, y'all, so the steak is officially done. I let it rest in probably 8 to 10 minutes or so. Now I'm just going to cut it in. Like I said, when you see the steak, you got the grain going this way, so you want to cut across the grain, so like right into here. I'm just going to do nice and thin. Thin for the steak is pretty good. It's cooked around medium to mid-rare, but yeah, it's not a bad steak. So, we cut it this way, and there you go on the final thing. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, please subscribe to the channel, and talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Peace.